All right, we're barbecuing.
Oh my gosh.
Hello. Can you explain what you brought, like, really quickly?
Yes. Wait, how? Okay, like this, like a with your mom kind of thing, 15 seconds or whatever.
I'd say I'm gonna give you about 30 seconds.
I can be like your mom. So I got some baked beans and I got the crackers and
This is my stovetop. It's not a Viking, it's not a wolf, but it will do. This is my side-by-side refrigerator. This is my top-bottom oven.
Is it starting right now?
Yes.
Oh, I got the crackers. I brought tomatoes, pita chips. There's mascarpone mashed potatoes. I also brought some mozzarella cheese.
Oh my goodness.
What else did I bring, Jordan? And the bread. And I brought compound butter with garlic and parsley and parmesan for garlic bread. Okay.
Tonight we are having a girls' barbecue. Heck yes. We're doing Korean style flank steak with the chimichurri sauce and then a whole ton of just grilled vegetables. Yes.
Oh, think you're hot shit or what?
Dude, I'm trying to shoot an intro. Fire is, it's looking pretty good.
Fire is it?
How come you don't need cheese on it?
You ate all the cheese.
No, I have a ton more cheese.
I ate that.
All right, let me show you what I got going on. So we got mixed vegetables. So I'm gonna cut these in really big pieces and just grill them. And this is kind of everything for the chimichurri. We got our meat. Heck yes, flank steak, marinated in with Korean spices. Whoa!
So energetic.
So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna plop the meat on the center. It's gonna cook 2 minutes on both sides to get it nice and charred, nice and crisp. It's got honey on it, so it's gonna burn. It's gonna nice and black. It's gonna look sexy. And then after 2 minutes on both sides, 4 minutes total, I'm gonna move the meat to the outer edges. And that's where it's gonna cook a little bit slower and it's cooked the inside. Mwah! Perfect! I feel like I have to be energetic so people understand.
Don't let your camera catch on fire.
Ooh. Wow, you know what? These are some huge pieces of meat.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like Korean meat. Like when you go to like Korean barbecue.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we let that get that nice char. It's right in the center. It's gonna be nice and hot. It's just gonna like blast it.
Jordan, are you gonna put Diana's meat in your mouth?
I love meat in my mouth.
That's right.
Be a little messy with it, you know? It's fine. You ain't winning no Michelin stars.
Not like that, you're not.
Here we go, look at this. This is what we got going on. Look at that. Girls' night, veggie tray. Check it out. Just get it on there.
So good. Oh my gosh.
Get it on. A little salt. Look at that.
Salt bay
Doesn't
action.
matter. Get it
Don't forget
on.
the asparagus.
Are you eating just a plain onion?
She's Shrek.
Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's check on this meat. 2 minutes on both sides. Ooh.
Oh my god, that color looks so good.
You always want to wear gloves when you're BBQing.
I'm holding it.
Ow! Are you okay?
No, just kidding.
Diana,
not funny.
That's why you want to wear gloves, so that doesn't happen.
I'm expecting to order pizza later, so.
That would be good later, but I know we won't eat pizza because everything Diana makes is amazing and delicious.
Wait, what? Thank you.
That's right.
These are beautiful. All right, what I'm learning is I need a bigger Weber because I'm doing this in like increments and my eyes are just dunzo. Get the fuck out of here.
Don't start yet, let me get olive oil.
We're gonna have 60 seconds, 59. Olive oil. We might have to order a pizza. We're waiting for my last round of vegetables to get done. I want to be a better griller. Is it griller or barbecuer? Barbecuer, barbecue-s, grill master. I want to be considered a grill master, so I'm actually barbecuing a lot. I'm not the best at it by any means, but I'm trying to get better. So hopefully I'll be a grill master soon. Get a black belt in grilling. What is the best barbecue you've ever had?
Texas barbecue.
Maddie's in there making garlic bread and beans. We're having ourselves a good old girls' night barbecue.
Mascarpone makes potatoes the creamiest I've ever had them. There's no cream in here. I know that the people can't like taste it, but it's incredibly creamy. It's just mascarpone, butter, a little bit of salt. It's heavenly. Oh my God. I like to just spank it a little. Spank the potatoes. They were naughty. What are you? Bad potatoes.
Dude, I'm ready to go. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right, we gotta go back out there and finish our grilling. Ugh. I just want everyone to know for the record, it's super hard to film and barbecue at the same time. It's very hard. 1 piece of meat. We got 2 pieces of meat. We're gonna take this chimichurri. We're just gonna kind of graze it over there. A little bit of sauce on the top. Get a little lime in there. A little extra lime. Heck yeah. I like to take a little bit of extra cilantro. Just kind of dust it. How do you feel? It took so long because I had to do it in increments. I want like I gotta get like dual Webers. Like 2 Webers back to back so I can do like veggies, meat, veggies.
Or just a bigger grill. Ooh, look at that meat.
Oh, and I love putting everything on just like a massive platter.
Oh, yes.
All right, that's it. Grill time. Are you ready?
Jordan helped me put it on broil, so just 2 more minutes and then we're all good. Yep, we're all good. What's up, neighbor?
We got the meat. We got the veggies.
This silverware placement's all wrong.
Wait, why?
It's not the full dining setup.
No, it's just simple.
It's not fine dining setup.
What do you got on the side there? Is that your little weapon? Just in case you have to protect the household?
I kind of was thinking that.
Every girl needs some beans. I'm gonna be nice and gassy later.
Oh, good.
So I hope you guys think differently about your girls' night.
No fucking salad night.
It's no fucking salad night. Barbecue a little bit.
Spice it up.
Spice it up a little bit. Ooh. Great job, Maddie.
Oh, thank you.
I wish you guys could taste this.
I mean, I think you're just saying that because you made it.
Where's your guys' food? This is my portion.
I'm gonna dig in, you guys.
Yeah.
Can I mess up?
We're on this together.
Look at that piece of meat.
So Maddie just had an encounter with a lizard. She's gonna tell you exactly what happened. Go.
Okay, so my puppy has a little pool that she plays with outside sometimes when it gets really hot, and sometimes baby lizards get caught in the pool. So like a good, decent human being, I rescue them. This lizard scurries up my arm, the back of my neck, into my hair. I lose it. I'm running around the backyard. My puppy is chasing me, wondering why. Why is she acting like this?
If it was a snake, I would have died. I would have shit myself and then died in my shit.
Well, I didn't say I didn't shit myself.